So business standards, Sensex is 1.5 today, local currency 13 US dollars. Okay. Reduced to 4.5, Nifty 4.4, reduced, John Doe point 0.1, Nasdaq 18.4, Function 10.2, it's increased, Nikkei -3, FTSE 0.5, DAX 1.8 reduced. India equity valuation premium over China narrow. Festival flips. Car dealership sees four rising million of India Maruti Suzuki. Musk Labstone and sign in rally appearance. Is Apple's China model of construction construct working out of worker in India? Valuation premium over China narrow equity market trend attribute faster growth in India and year of Israel Hamas war trade with Asia whole start actually. A year of Israel Hamas war trade with West Asia holds steady. Crisis of oil is airlines to reroute Israel strikes by rate to a heavy warm economy. Valuation premium over China narrows equity market trends are will grow fast growing in DINC. So trailing no quantum. The car dealers is 4 rise is 4 easy makers looks Hitachi ride on quantum wagon. Conflicts in West Asia pose challenges. We need policies about of state private caps may improve on rising bid finances. The investor confidence is increasing over the latest issues more than 3 times in this year. Okay. From India to Singapore, Russia, Uber reached say 50 35 billion to offshore family office. 16 fortunes, personal assets holding 4 billion. Singapore, Hong Kong, Singapore, China to Singapore, Hong Kong, 22 all supporting important as Indian largely on out-of-pocket market. We foresee favorable policies moving forward, but we need even more support at the state level as much as healthcare expenditure across the country. Mhm. Indigo punctuality falls to 54% outage. PC makers look to Hitachi ride on the Qualcomm bandwagon. Private cams cap may rise to base confidence, more confidence, listening confidence in the result. Private job expectation of companies is really important in the managing especially the Q conforms enabling sector big baskets are ready to witness the unpredictable demand of smartphones. Acer is looking into the broader range of QCOM quantum. Frankly, Record is only playing selling laptops via QCOM services minutes as consumer claim purchase higher item value in the platform demands PCs might soon but okay, Indigo Consortium calls Apple ready to enter European markets after US for AMD. Paytm focus on consumer payments in Brazil. Jai Sharma. Hindalco JSW raise for copper mines in Turkey. Adani stores hydrogen natural gas blending program. 20 days no end in sight of strike in Samsung Limited. Being more human delivery partners. Zomato CEO to Mars. Tata Digi is bet on the fin services you see transactions. Inflexor Ventures looks to raise 1,700 crores for third plants. Mm, Google partnership forms is a best transformation. Mm, Coalition government good for India. West Asia conflict may create challenges. Mm, Array Act against official of false train data. Mhm. Exemption of which farmers bigger chunk of money spent by users. Farmer share of money spent by customers, potato 37%, onion 36%, tomato 30%, all grams, mango 70%, dance cake, milk and poultry 53%, mango, grapes and bananas. Included in IAF, Yashur, and Chennai, Marina Beach, Canada, Seeds, Cash, Beach of NSL Group, over a government of RBI Group, DP, Patra, Towns, Near, and Forex surges 3,100 billion and stocks Forex watch. While we were detailed Forex due to 100 movement of Coakley Institution appoints Sanjeev Sayal Chairman, LIC boost stakes in BOM from 4.05 to 7.1. Grows much lower 10 percentage and Morgan reach of another US port workers strike, lumping a threat of exporters. China contrarily due to stimulus bless India go faces Avana system outage. PM unveils 50,000 crores project in Maha Advantage, Kongs in Haryana exit polls. Over 30 days talks with PV dealers, you overreach India and join China, Indonesia family office. A visit of Istanbul was the multilateral event. SEO, it is not going there to discuss Indian strategy. I'm going at a good member of SEO. I'm sure there is okay. Focus has been on caps to build assets, create jobs. Kerala rebranding, push business, wait and watch news bastion. It's looking to reinvest itself to friendly destination of private investment, but the economic and business indicators are flattering. Per capita income rest of South Kerala is increasing as South India is also. Number of factories increase in India, Kerala. Class capital capital formation, GST in Kerala is reducing. Merchandise export in Kerala is reduced or increasing. Gross FTA economic outflows, unemployment rate is somewhat out of India, 7.2 and gender ratios, Kerala, females per thousand, females are more in Kerala. Okay. Infant mortality, Kerala, 4 per thousand, flight both. It's beautiful mortality. President 97, 9 minimum 97, poverty 0.5%. Return of PQ1 was behind the scenes shape of political fortune generation already to second. So, Beirut comes under the heaviest bombardments of human cost of lead financially cost of Gaza. Plus challenge began Gaza and how to deal with damage. Imran Khan party protest continues amid crackdown. Moscow leads to Trump's rally. Oil Mogilevsky cashews of Trump, Strammer, top 8 shoe, Gray quit in 3 months. And Stellinet shoes UAW in the top strike on plant investment. Row erupts and over ticket sales of OSS US Canada shoes. New York's and owners near 55 million deal of Telegram. Chinese hackers breached US code wire tap systems. My God. Singapore yen horse raising after 181 years of housing. Productivity boosts global innovation frenzy. Can India match the pace? Economic glass permanently half full. Moon drones on time for air. Okay. Melania Trump whitewashes the presidency. Mhm. Money in the bank cash reserve ratio use that ensure monetary stability being depleted as a leader deposit grows shows down Rahu Mohan. What distinguishes a winner bank and superior ability to gauge and maintain settlement. The review of CRR is backing and real business attraction. The in ICRR may make the SLR and curve out the bank may own an interest if it kept it. The curve plays on unsecured lending and based on the working capital management companies, resulting in that it is not useful in infrastructure to be paid. The CRR being remunerated by RBI. How India make M&A easier for companies. What is mergers and acquisitions. The reserve EGA requirement ratios. India 4.5, China 7, Brazil 21, Indonesia 9, Japan 0.8, Croatia 2, Russia, UK, September. Credit deposit ratio of loanable fund is the growth equity disciplinary investment in equities mutual funds, CVS, security insurance pensions, equities and mutual funds. I think the credit deposit ratio, let me please. Model code of construct the status code ratio stands too much of them. It will not be surprising the Indian central bank decide to wait until the December draft. Always there is an adequate liquidity system and the stance withdrawal of accommodation does not mean much. A decade of make in India and unpick the Indian GPV participation from manufacturing put the participation lower than Vietnam and Russia. Rate the MFG value in addition lower than Bangladesh. MFG activity is bigger and straight share in global export over tenth of them are high tech exports. Yeah, the key to India. Um, Year of Israel Hamas war trade with Asia holds steady. So reflecting the heat, exports and imports trade is India trade with Israel. So in October, this is export is minus 24, but import is 17. The export 7%. Minus 17. Main performance. India trade with the Gulf corporations increased crude, gold, spot, stainless. How trade with Israel, Lebanon, Jordan declines during January to June period. West Asia crisis forces airlines to reroute air turbulence. The number of weekly flights to Mumbai is the number 14. Lafanasa to Mumbai to Frankfurt. Air India Mumbai to London 38, British Airways 42. Instead of 49. Realized camera combos, Rajnikant and Bachchan unites with branding right. Let's Germany. Mutual fund hoist carries the wind of growth. The smart investors quickly Oil India hits the Guster Invest Asia engine items. State run Explore Oil India saw a share of rise in 6% Friday lifted by increasing oil price amid tensions in the West Asia. JF Financial forecast of 20% upside in 700 rupees support the strengthening oil price. A burst of growing outlook, attractive valuation stock trade 9x to 9 and acknowledgement 1.5 book. This is for global oil, but the key question is whether the Saudi Arabia will boost the production of Iranian supply 5% oil. Catching the flying knives, now the time to invest, and bolting yourself up seas clothes. Mutual funds, home, holy sale catches the wind of the growth. A large cab lineup make use a new cast and nine entrance and nine exit. Mm. Junjinwala inspires a new investors. Okay. Top bulk, trend RSS system, budget. Rising home prices considering outskit in progress project. Property prices upward bond. In Hyderabad, square feet, average square feet in financial 21, 23, 24. Price differences. Hyderabad is 7150 per square feet, Bengaluru 8100, NCR 7200, Yamma 16,000, Pune 7600, Chennai 6680, Kolkata 7500 total. Mindful of potential drawback is option to make a balanced choice. Retail investors and looks like a lamp and navigate. On the mindful potential drawbacks option get balanced choices. The fact that G speech. Book your copy.